Tired of complicated crypto transfers? Bybit's got you covered with a super easy way to send funds to other users. And in this tutorial, I will show you how. First, head over to the Bybit website or open your Bybit app, then look for the Assets tab, usually found at the top right corner on the website, or at the bottom navigation bar on the app. Click on it. Once you're in your Assets overview, find the Withdraw button. It's usually clearly labeled and stands out from the other options. Give it a click. Now, instead of choosing a blockchain network, select Bybit account. This option lets you transfer funds directly to another Bybit user's account without any fees. You'll need the recipient's Bybit UID, registered email, or registered phone number. Enter it carefully in the designated field, then enter the amount you want to send. Double-check all the details to ensure everything is correct. Time for the security check. Bybit will prompt you for verification, usually through Google Authenticator, SMS, or email verification codes. Enter the required codes to confirm the transaction. And that's it. Once you've completed the verification, your funds will be transferred instantly to the other Bybit user. It's that simple. Now you can send funds to your friends, family, or for business transactions without the fuss.